The only thing better than regular tiramisu is chocolate tiramisu. And I'm gonna show you one that takes only 7 ingredients and 20 minutes of work. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. And also press the bell icon. We're gonna start with 2.5 cups of cold, heavy cream. Whisk until it starts to thicken up. Then add 12 ounces, or 1.5 packs of room temperature mascarpone and whisk well. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk until everything is fully combined. I have uploaded simplest homemade mascarpone recipe in my shorts and I will share the link below. And now you should have a fairly thick mixture like this. Take 160 grams of milk chocolate and pour over 3/4 cup of hot cream. Stir until you have a smooth, shiny ganache. Lastly, for the soak, take 1.5 cups of cold espresso, and it's time to assemble. So take a pan or pudding tray. Quickly dip your lady fingers into the coffee. I'm using normal rusks here, which is 100% replicable and tastes exactly the same. Now soak and line them up on the bottom of your tray. Then spread over about half of the mascarpone cream as neatly as you can. Spread over about half of that chocolate ganache, and then we're going to repeat the whole process. Once the tiramisu is set, generously dust it with cocoa powder and take a bite. It will melt in your mouth. And that's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Do try it out. You are going to love each and every bite. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.